yeah, konnichiwa. That's the Tanda ngaji YouTube tanga like very dedicated to us YouTube mongulusa. Ani tala 참말라 tuchena, ani subscriber 참말라 tuchena, ani 얘기 난다 tala. 갸니 미 망고 슈스타 이디야. 아니 갸도 오스트레일리아도 스위tzerland도 아니 캐나다도 아니 프랑스도 아니 참말라 아니 테스트래. Yeah, any thanks for watching. And the telling the video दिखा रहा ना Taiwan na singzong diyorta. So I think this one. Dila khale na invoice le dia. Invoice le dia. Ani kami thani na fa phiao le fa phiao. Da telling de la 7-Eleven da le ra. Ani di invoice the khale na kyo chala kharnyo ga chinaya. Khonja ji company ming yore. Ani kyorang ge chala ga je ta khalo invoice number le ra number diyor. Okay? Ani upa chi thadini. 아니 내가 공세 그 고모하지 땅에 내가 고모 차징요 당 얘기 the T slack branch on the charge near and that this can share that the video na khalchelana my second year in Taiwan and this is my first time winning a 200 NTD 200 that means in India it's almost 500, but I'm not sure if they're gonna give me cash or they will just let me buy things from 7-Eleven. 你好，你可以在这个吗？
中奖发票吗？
对。
后面要帮我填资料哦。
뭐게 민치라스요. 네 테마 당보디 민치라스. And you the Senvention and ID number and then somebody telephone number till us any kurangaj ID there do. Gami minchugo igirda. Okay, so here I am, and I got my, let's see, I got my $200 ATD, and I don't know what's this. I think it's like a coupon for something, some noodles or something. No, it's a snack. It's like a peanut, dry nuts snack, and they say buy 2 for 150. Yeah, so that's it. I didn't become a millionaire, but still I did win 200. I'll be closing it over here, and thank you for watching again, and see you next time.